Okay, hey Charlie. Actually, surprisingly enough, this video is specifically for Charlie. My baby. What's up, everybody? Two things I want to cover first up. One, I get it, there's a little bit of an echo. I've ordered soundproofing. Two, there is a freaking like screamo band practicing next door. After being in the studio, I'm starting to learn like what problems happen when, what creaks are normal and what is legitimately a ghost. And what I'm figuring out now is there's a band next door that likes to practice the same time that we film. It has been such a crazy morning, guys. You have no idea the toilet story. Just my freaking luck. This lighting isn't proper. This studio is so sick. So there I was, brushing my teeth, not bothering anybody. And I started feeling like a little bit of wetness. Freaking water this high on my floor. The toilet stopped draining. It's now overflowing. Like, you know when something scary happens and your heart's like pounding and your arms are all shaky like this? If I were to cry, it would be one of those where it's like, I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna throw up. Today's video is for Charlie. You know, he's my guy. He's my baby. Today we'll be unboxing a gift that is specifically for Charlie. I mean, it's for me to use, but it's for Charlie to enjoy. Let's do this. The way I'm gonna be getting this studio is by biking. Charlie is my co-pilot. I gotta bring that guy everywhere. So I was looking at a way that I could bring Charlie with me on a bike. So inside this box should be the K9 Sports Sack. Now you'll notice Charlie has little legs, so he wouldn't be able to reach the pedals on a dog bike anyways. So this is where the K9 Sports Sack comes into play. It's essentially a backpack for Charlie. So he's gonna go, I swear to God this exists. He's gonna go on my back and he's gonna be peeking out of the top of the backpack. Okay. We have a bunch of airbags! A K9 Sports Sack water bottle, K9 Sports Sack sticker. What is a coaster? So we got a coaster. Whether it's riding your bike to work or hiking on the weekends. We don't hike. Look, man. Oh my gosh. It says Charlie on it. So on their website, they actually offer custom patches for your dog. You can write anything. Looks like a smaller bag on the front. Oh, yeah. Oh, so the smaller little bag on the front, I guess put Charlie's essentials in. Charlie then goes in here, and there's two little paw holes right here for his paws to go in. This is bag number one. Charlie, what is this? What is this? We got a second one. This is gonna be so freaking cute. So this bag here is a little bit more trendier than the other one. The other one's for like hiking. You can definitely hike in this. You come here. Okay, so hold on. Butt goes in the bag. I mean, it's a little rough for the first time. We're gonna get it. Oh my God, stop. Charlie, this is freaking amazing. You look so sick, man. You're like a mermaid essentially because your legs are in here. Charlie's back legs and entire body is inside the bag except for his front paws here. Okay. Think like this. Yo, we did it. Char. Oh, wait, let me see this. I gotta see this. This is amazing. So now, I can now transport Charlie from my house to my studio. Oh my God, we're like a modern day Dora the Explorer. Does she have a pet in her backpack? I don't know. This right here is the lifestyle bag. So as you can see, Charlie's little butt is right here. That, you come around. I think his paws should be there. He's chill, man. He's calm. I thought he was gonna be way more uncomfortable, but no, he's chill. Yo. This is mad cool, Charlie. I'm in love with these bags, man. This is so cute. This is bag number one. You look like a police dog, man. Dream of being a cop dog works. Give me a snoot. Nice. There's gotta be a smoother way to get these bags on. Yeah, I think this one's way more snug. If I'm biking, I'm putting them in this one. Hey guys, yeah, sorry I'm late. I just had to get my dog. Hey, what's up? My name's Dan. I'm new here. I'm just looking for my partner, Charlie. There's only one more thing to do. Actually hop on my bike and take Charlie for a spin. Yeah, you wanna go for a ride? Yeah, let's hop on the bike and go for a ride and test this bad boy out. We're back from our trip. Charlie freaking loves this bag, man. Look at it, he's chilling. Huge shout out to K9 Sports Sack for sending me these bags. K9 Sports Sack, you guys have created a really good product. First impressions, no issues. I love the bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you guys want to see a picture of Charlie chilling on my back, you can go to my Instagram @Denocracy, check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Char, lick. Charlie, you want to punch out? You want to punch out? You want me? Here, give me a lick. We're gonna lick it and stick it. Peace, baby.